Good day, everyone. My name is Juan Paulo C. Palomares from BSCS 3A, and together with my group mates, we are Group 9. Um, Today, we will discuss about our mock-up project for Pinterest. In this mock-up project, we gathered some user feedback what on what they want to change in Pinterest, and the votes are high in terms of Pinterest homepage because it is too overwhelming with clutter photos, different kinds of photos, and in this mock-up project, we are focusing on the key features we've modified and enhanced. We'll explore the changes made to improve user experience, functionality, and design, highlighting how these updates aim to better serve Pinterest community and elevate the platform's overall performance. Um, let's call our groupmate.
Our redesigned Pinterest maintains the clean and organized interface of the original while improving usability and navigation. Instead of immediate showing a feed, are first direct to a login page similar to Twitter for a more streamlined experience. So here's our key design for our pages. So this is the registration pages. Users can create an account easily with a step-by-step guide. Then a login secure login page to ensure a smooth entry into the app. After logging in, it is show that categorize picture. This HTML categorize the different types of pictures. Then after choose the user of the different types of pictures, it will go to the dashboard. So or home. Visual appealing scrollable interface that enhances discoverability. So that's for our markup design.
So today I will describe the mockup user flow Pinterest typically. Mockup user flow Pinterest typically illustrate a journey a user takes while interacting with the platform. First, concise explanation. The user start by opening Pinterest either through the app or website. They might land on the home page or a specific board based on their previous activities. Users scroll through the feed, which is populated with pins tailored to their interest. They can also use the search bar to find specific topics, words, and quiz. When a user finds a pin they like, they can click on it to view details, save it to their board, or visit the website for more information. They can also engage liking, comment, or sharing the pin. User can create their own pins by uploading image, adding descriptions, and liking the external content. They can also organize their pins into boards for better categories. Pinterest encourage users to follow boards or accounts that align with their interests, forecasting a personal and engaging experience. This flow is
I'm Lawrence Brian Green. In summary, our Pinterest mockup design focus on usability but better navigation and functional to provide a seamless experience with improved search, clear account, and organized interface. We aim to make Pinterest even more user friendly. Thank you for watching for our presentation. We hope you enjoy our prototype. If you can question, feel me free to ask. Lang po.